Catch a tiger by his tail. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I wonder what's in here. Oh, I think I know who this is. I know.
Alrighty, why don't you open it up and show everybody what's inside.
Oh. Hey guys, today I'm opening my SAGO made 6 Gretchen's box. Let's get started. Well, I can tell which one this is because see, farm fairy tale. With all the farm stuff, it's a farm. With all the knights and gear, it's a fairy tale.
So who is on the box, Lila? You know anybody?
Well, I know this is a Jack, Ginger, and Harvey.
Mm-hmm. Do you know what this one is or no?
What? Oh yeah, Robin, Harvey, Ginger, Jack, and Blueberry.
Oh, so cool.
We're going to do eeny, meeny, miny, mo to know which one we're going to do first. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his tail. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Come on, let's get started. I wonder what's in here. Let's get started. I'm a great opener, is what you guys know. So.
Alrighty, why don't you open it up and show everybody what's inside.
Oh! Squeaky! Look, this is
Okay,
squeaky.
so this says Farmer's Market.
What does this say?
Farmer's Market.
Oh, let's open the sticker.
Okay, go ahead and open that paper up.
Sticker won't come off. It says Sticker Mini.
Mm-hmm.
But you all know, hit the red button if you have this game. There we go.
Okay.
Robin!
Hold on, I need to see that, honey.
It's Robin! Let's flip it over, guys.
Okay, what's on the back?
These are all the games. These are all the games. It looks so fun. Let's take them out.
Ooh, is this your character?
Yes.
Okay, who is it?
I really think it's Robin.
You think
because it's a bird.
Oh, okay.
Get this. Oh, I think I know who this is. I know who it is.
Okay.
Seriously, look, it's him. See? It matches the ears. All right, don't worry, character. We'll get you out. Oh, he's a pig. Get this sticker off. There we go.
Okay, I think you just pull him out now. There he is. So do you know his name? Do you know which character that is?
Wait, yeah, I know what his name is. Oinky, I think.
Oinky?
Yeah,
I think his name's Parker.
look.
It says, doesn't say on the bottom, but so here he is. His name's Parker. Parker the pig.
This is a pig. His name is Parker.
Here, hold him up, real cute.
His name is Parker, see?
I see. Hold him up just so I can see him. Yeah, just kind of put him right in front of the camera. See, there we go.
Okay.
Hold on. All right.
Wait, look at the back of his tail.
Uh-huh. It's a curly little tail.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
so.
open the number 1 box. See?
All right.
Ooh, look at the activities. They look so fun.
All right, so we're gonna take a quick peek of these activities here. So what do you think you do in these activities, Lila?
So I think we just play a game in this one.
But what does it look like? What do you see in there?
We have
What does
to
it come
bury
with?
it in the couch, and then we have to dig in their tools.
Uh-huh. What's the next one?
a chicken. It came with a sock. They're pretty weird. And eggs, and a chicken, and more eggs. This one is where you can do the horse's hair.
Yeah.
And this is where you get to put it over here.
So this one, is a couch garden, you're right. You bury the stuff in the couch and then you dig it out. And then the second one is chicken coop and mystery eggs. So it says Parker will help you build a cozy spot for your chicken to lay her eggs. I wonder what's inside them.
Maybe,
a sock?
Maybe candy or something.
What do you think's inside the eggs?
Maybe candy or something.
Maybe candy or something?
Look.
And then the last activity says Blueberry needs to drop off some veggies at the farmer's market. Can you help her out by delivering them on your pony? So you get to make a chair pony and pretend it's a pony. Cool. Okay, let's open your activities.
Here's our number 1 box. Look, there's a note from Blueberry at the bottom. Money.
There's some money.
Ginger's free. Harvey's 1. There's more ginger.
Uh-oh. Some of those don't look like vegetables, huh?
There's a note from Robin.
It says, hello, fellow farmer. I am always losing things in my couch cushions. Birdseed, toys, coins, you name it. One day, to my surprise, some delicious veggies started growing from the cracks. Want some help starting your own couch garden? Once it's time for harvest, we can sell the veggies at market. Yours, Robin.
Guys.
A Harvey plant. Show us all the things that you're gonna get.
Ooh, onions. A pizza? Told you they were weird. Ooh. This.
Okay.
I never tried a pine cone smoothie or pine cone.
Pineapple, honey.
I mean pineapple.
Okay, so this is what's in activity 1.
Yep. Here's activity 2. I think this is going to be the chicken one. I just know. And then here's our note from Blueberry. Ooh, look, I knew it.
Let me see. Activity 2. Open it up and see what's inside.
Yep. Open it up and see what's inside. Here is our...
I think that's the mama chicken.
Chicken. And you are right. It is our mama chicken. How do we fold this thing?
Well, here, take out the other things and we'll read the directions again.
Oi! Wait, is this Oinky? I can't remember what his name is.
His name's Parker. Parker the pig.
Look, why has it got a poop on it?
It says, looks like your pet chicken is about to lay her eggs. How exciting. Can you help me build a cozy bed for her? Happy chickens lay delicious eggs. I wonder what's inside each one. Beware of stinky surprises. Is that where that goes?
I don't think so, but where does this go?
I don't know. Okay,
Let's carefully put the egg somewhere.
okay.
So that's our nest.
Uh-huh.
Look, the chicken is still full.
Okay.
Now she's going to lay her eggs. Pop! They came out. I kind of want to peek out one of the eggs. Or we could just open it.
Okay, open it.
Get open, baby chicken! Baby. This baby chick won't open.
Is it a chick? Is it a baby chick?
Oh!
What is it?
Smell it.
Is it a stinky sock?
Yeah, smell it.
Ew! Oh, so when you sell your stuff at the farmer's market, you get to trick somebody with a stinky sock.
It goes right here. Let's see if this one's a baby. What in the world? The baby is smashed. Now let's see this little cutie. Oh, another baby. It's smooshed.
Scrambled eggs.
Here's our note from Blueberry. From Blueberry. Look,
Let me see the front of it. Show me the envelope.
chicken. My new neighbor. Neighbor.
Get it?
Because it neighs. Open this thing. Ah! There we go. That was it. This one. Here is a horse. What is this? No. Can we go hang it on the chair?
What else? What else do you need to build your horse?
Comes with the accessories. There we go. Oh, I see a blue note in here. But first, what in the world is this? What in the world?
It's probably to tie the horse on the chair.
Is this hair? This is hair.
The mane or the tail.
I think it's the tail.
So this is from Blueberry. It says, have you ever wanted your very own pony? Well, today is the day. Do you have a small kid's chair that you like to sit on? Let's turn it into your very own pet. What shall you name your new trusty steed? What shall you name your new trusty steed? Best, Blueberry.
All right. It's either flower, crown, or bow. I'll go with the bow. Ready, horsey? You look so cute. Now, on the other one, we can do, a flower. Does that look beautiful?
It looks so beautiful.
These are so big.
Oh, cool.
These don't fit my size. They're so big. Oh, look at my horse now.
Oh yeah, summertime pony.
Look, you can see its little eyes.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, rock on, smiling, smiling.
You can give it a unicorn horn. You can give it a mustache.
Oh, horn.
You can give it a Band-Aid.
Here is our horn.
So cute.
Hello, ma'am. Welcome to my farmer's market.
Hi, I would like to buy some vegetables, please.
Okay. Any eggs?
Yes, I will take an egg, please.
Here.
Okay, got a beet. And wait a minute. Pizza? What is this?
Pizza.
Is that a pizza vegetable?
Yeah.
Okay, pizza vegetable.
Let me check out the eggs for you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for getting me the perfect egg.
Have a nice day.
Oh, thank you. How much money is this?
$100.
$100. I have $6. Is that good? There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat this egg right now. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this egg. Yum, 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 yum. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is gross. This is not an egg. This is a, ew, this is a stinky sock. Hey, lady, I want my money back.
No money for you. You get what you get and don't make a fit.
Oh my goodness, that was a silly joke, lady.
Do you want me to get you a special dessert?
Yes, I would love a special dessert.
You get 2.
Okay, great. Wait a minute. A dog and a stinky, muddy boot? What the what? All right, how much money is all this? All of these vegetables and dogs and stinky sock eggs.
3322.
3322. How about $7? How about $7?
Thank you. Give all your money to
I took all my money.
Thanks for watching this video. Click on the red button to see the number 2 part of my Sickle mini box, the fairy tale one. Bye.